This video demonstrates how to program a smart key fob for your 2019-2020 Cadillac XT4. This DIY method allows you to add or repair a remote to your vehicle's system without special tools, saving potentially hundreds of dollars in dealer fees. We'll focus on the radio frequency pairing process for locking, unlocking, remote start, and panic functions. Note that this only works if you have at least one working key fob already paired to the vehicle. Your smart key fob communicates wirelessly with the vehicle's body control module using RF signals. Pairing synchronizes the fob's unique code with the vehicle's immobilizer system. This enables passive entry and remote functions. The system uses rolling code security, with each transmission using a unique code to prevent theft. The frequencies used are 314 MHz for lock-unlock and 868 MHz for remote start in some markets. Before starting the programming process, ensure you have at least one working key fob already paired to your vehicle. Obtain a new CR2032 battery for the new fob and install it properly. Park your XT4 in a secure location with all doors closed and the ignition turned off. This programming method works specifically for 2019-2020 Cadillac XT4 models with standard keyless entry systems and may not function with aftermarket components. Also, avoid programming near other vehicles to prevent accidental pairing. To enter programming mode, first insert the working key into the ignition. Turn the key to the on position, which powers accessories but does not start the engine, then back to off. Repeat this on to off cycle 3 times within 10 seconds. On the third cycle, leave the key in the on position. The doors will automatically lock and unlock, indicating that programming mode has been entered. This process may take 10 to 15 seconds. Within 30 seconds of the doors locking and unlocking, press and hold the lock button on the new fob for 1 to 2 seconds. The doors should lock and unlock again as confirmation. If you have additional fobs to program, repeat this step for each fob. You can pair up to 8 fobs to your XT4. Once you've programmed all your desired fobs, turn the ignition to the off position to exit programming mode. Remove the key from the ignition. Now, test each fob by locking and unlocking the doors from a distance to ensure they're properly paired. If a fob doesn't work, repeat the programming steps. If programming fails, several common issues could be the cause. Let's examine the most frequent problems and their solutions. First, double-check the battery in the new fob. A weak or dead battery is the most common cause of programming failure. Second, ensure you're following the timing accurately during the ignition cycle. The 3 on-off cycles must be completed within 10 seconds. Third, a faulty body control module can cause programming issues. This requires professional diagnosis and repair. Fourth, some users report infotainment system pairing prompts, which can aid confirmation during programming. If problems persist after checking these issues, consult a certified mechanic for assistance. Automotive key technology is evolving towards digital solutions, such as smartphone apps via NFC or Bluetooth Low Energy (BLE). Cadillac is integrating digital keys into their ecosystem, with backward compatibility for 2019-2020 XT4 models. Future trends include biometric enhancements like fingerprint recognition for added security. Over-the-air security updates will enhance protection, while physical fobs may become obsolete. DIY programming remains viable for budget-conscious users.